My name is not McGregor. It's Craig, but I did grow up watching the show MacGyver in the early 90s. When one MacGyvers a solution to a problem, they find a simple yet elegant solution to the problem using existing resources. People started calling me McGregor when I fixed their problem, and I always carried a pocket knife. Problem solving is in my blood. My great-grandfather was a problem solver and an inventor. He even had patents in the 1900s. My father is an engineer, and there isn't a problem he can't solve. The greatest problem he ever solved was keeping me and my 3 brothers out of jail and alive. I'm an electrical engineer. I've worked in the defense industry, designing infrared cameras and laser systems for the military. I helped design a 3D printer. I succeeded and failed in crowdfunding and built a Internet of Things product. This channel is about making, inventing, problem solving, and MacGyvering solutions. I'm making this video not only as a preview for the channel, but to hold myself accountable. Dear Craig Future, keep focus, you don't have all the answers, don't be a dumbass. Try new things, life is a lesson, and keep problem solving. Love, Craig Past. Please consider subscribing so together we can make Craig Future proud.